guys, this is Meera and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am to show you baking essentials that you should have if you love baking. So let's get started. So first is measuring spoons and measuring cups. So these are important, so important if you are a beginner. Even if you are not a beginner, these are important because these helps to measure ingredients accurately. So these are spoons for small things like baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence, etc. And these measuring cups are for flour, milk powder, oil and etc. Let's keep these aside. Next is mixing bowl. So mixing bowl is something that comes in various materials like plastic, steel, glass, etc. Now the steel one are not microwave safe, but this is microwave safe. You can see here, and some glass mixing bowls are microwave safe, but some are not. So please check your mixing bowl before you buy it or use it in the microwave. Next are balloon whisks. I have 3 of them, big, small and medium, and I bought this from a baking shop, but you can buy this from Amazon or any other website or shop you want. Then I have silicone spatula. This is really important for your baking because this helps to do cut and fold method or scrap your batter or cookie dough. And I bought this from Amazon. And next are these pastry brush. I have 2 of them, small and big. This is small, this is big, but this comes in various colors and various sizes, so you can buy any. And yeah guys, one more thing, that you can buy these from Amazon. Everything I'm showing here is not from Amazon, but you can buy them from Amazon. I will put the link below as much as I can. So next are the attachments. These attachments are for this. So this is a hand blender, or you can say electronic beater. And we have 4 attachments. 2 are for whisking, 2 are for cookie dough or any dough. And this is not really important if you are a beginner, but if you make whipped cream and meringues, that you should have this. This is really helpful. Okay, so next are these nozzles. I have so many of them, and these are not from one pack. I collected them from various shops and sites, and with this I have some piping bags here. These are large, but when I brought this, I didn't know that these are large. I thought they were small, but you can buy sizes according to your needs. Yeah. So next is silicone mold. I have these silicone molds in leaf shape. These comes in various different types of sizes and different sizes of designs. You can buy any. Okay, you can buy these from Amazon. On Amazon there are so many options you can buy. In silicone mold I have this muffin mold. Okay, so muffin mold, I have this muffin mold, silicone muffin mold. You can use this in convection and microwave too. There are so many muffin molds or cupcake molds, you can say, that are not in silicone, that are in like aluminium, but there's a problem in aluminium. In aluminium you cannot use that for microwave, but if you are using oven, so you can use the aluminium one. Okay, so with this mold we also have one more thing. cupcake liner. So you just have to put cupcakes liner in each of these and pour the batter of the muffin or cupcake and bake them. Okay. So then I have some tins, various types of tins. So this is cupcake aluminium tin, and this is 5-inch round tin aluminium, and this is 7-inch aluminium cake tin, and this is a bread loaf, but I make cakes in this. So there are so many types of tins, so many types of options in the market or on Amazon site or etc. So you can buy any, but if you ask me, the 7-inch or 6-inch cake tin is the best size, but you can buy according to your needs. Now here I have cookie cutters. I have 3 or 4. I don't have so much, but this is in hexagon, and then I have heart, and then I have star. This is the star is a little smaller than these, but there are so many different types of sizes and shapes, so you can buy any as usual. And I have this raindrop too. Now here is a thing that is for someone who bakes in pressure cooker or a kadhai, a steel stand. If you bake in oven, this is not for you guys, this is not important for you, but if you bake in kadhai or pressure cooker, this is the must. Okay, so next I have a big server. This is so important to serve your ingredients, dry ingredients like maida, milk powder, baking soda, baking powder, etc. Okay, this is the must, guys. You should have this at your home if you love baking, because this is so important. This helps us so much. Okay, so that is it for today's, guys, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you will receive all the post notification when I upload my new video. Bye guys.